Okay, so we're gonna open up the box. First thing we see, as always, is tissue paper. Oh, there's 2 shirts this time. Oh, I like that shirt. It's a cool shirt. And then.
Ooh, what is that one? Cause
the 3 death whatever. Ooh.
Okay, I'm trying to see it, and you keep moving it back more.
The brothers, and then her. Magic and spells. I don't know what that is. I think it might be from Fantastic Beasts.
I can't see it. Can you turn it? Switch hands.
Oh.
There you go.
I think it might be from Diagon Alley.
Okay. You're such a goof.
And then there's...
A woman loves a little box.
There's this little potion. There's this little book pen.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. And you get Ravenclaw stuff, right? Because you picked a Ravenclaw box.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's Ravenclaw specific or if that's just...
It had a Ravenclaw scarf on it. Did you see the scarf?
Well, this is Ravenclaw. Yeah, this is Ravenclaw specific. This is a Ravenclaw bracelet.
I can't see it. Hold on. Here, let me zoom in on it because we can't see. Oh, that's pretty.
Aren't they? Okay. Ooh, socks. I don't know why they're Gryffindor.
Normally you get Ravenclaw.
I wonder if it's just the way they went. So there's the little socks.
Hold on, let me. Cute.
Petunias, fudging pudding, fudging pudding. We're just gonna call it fudging pudding.
Petunia's pudding.
No, it's footing. Oh, there's a little circle there, so it looks like F when really it's P. So it's pudding. So it's Petunia's pudding.
Not Petunia's fudging pudding. That's angry pudding.
Sherbet lemons.
Ooh, I want to make those. Those look yummy.
Like they're both that. Chocolate frog.
Ooh, I like that one.
Let's see a little painful thingy.
Oh, you're being a dork.
Gosh, Dad.
Okay, so what did you find when you opened up the booklet about what's going on with your box?
The thing for the chocolate frog poster, I realized there were 4. And it said not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 magical prints are included in this month's box. That got me wondering, wait a second, but it only looks like 1. So then I opened up the pack and I found this chocolate frog one.
Which we saw.
This, excuse me, Skiving snack box.
I like it.
This 420-second Quidditch World Cup.
Let me see. That's awesome.
And then this one says Advanced Potion Making.
Ooh, I like it.
I know. Okay, so the first thing we have is this little Geek Gear. So the box is by Geek Gear. It's this World of Wizardry box. Or it's actually, I don't think it's called World of Wizardry anymore. I don't know. But on this it says Geek Gear Wizardry. So, and then the way it works is every month you should get a box. But because we live in the U.S., it comes about the 3rd or 4th of every month. So like August box would come September 3rd. Or November's box would come October 3rd.
I mean, October's box would come November 3rd.
Oh, yeah. So, and then...
They really make a great gift, though, right? Because Grandma gave you this as a gift. They make a really good gift.
Yes.
Because, I mean, when you think about the monthly rate that you pay, and then you're going to get all of this, I mean, that really is a fantastic value.
And you put it in your house and you get stuff like that.
Like the bracelet?
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing in the box this month?
I don't know. I think I like it all this time.
Okay, but if you had to pick one favorite, what would it be?
The bracelet.
The bracelet. And now you have a new recipe to add to your recipe book, right?
New 2 recipes.